Hi dear students, now we will see the next practical, that is practical number 4, assembly and dismantling of boiler S series. Practical significance is as follows: boiler S series are meant for increasing efficiency of boiler and allied thermal engineering system. They are not necessary for boilers to function. However, energy conservation is important aspect of any thermal engineering system. S series take care of the same. Relevant program outcomes are PO2 discipline knowledge, apply mechanical engineering knowledge to solve the broad based mechanical engineering related problems. PO3 experiments and practices, plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad based mechanical engineering related problems. PO08 individual and teamwork, function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. Relevant course outcomes: use relevant steam boilers, assembly and dismantling of boiler S series, minimum theoretical background. Boiler S series, like air preheater economizer, acts as heat recovery unit and extracts heat from flue gases from boiler. Superheater is employed for increasing work output from available steam as well as take off possible condensation in steam turbine, thereby avoiding erosion and corrosion of turbine blades. Now see here the setup models. Name of S series superheater. Now we can see a actual diagram of superheater to the right side. It consists of the tubes like structure in zigzag manner. Now at to the left side we have the schematic diagram of superheater. Superheater can be of radiant and convective type. Now we will see a boiler drum in which steam is produced. This steam goes through the steam stop wall into the superheater tubes. Here the temperature of the steam is increased and this steam is given to the convective superheater. Now first is radiant superheater and next is convective superheater. This steam is then passed through steam stop wall to the turbine. Now here we can see the water is heated in the furnace and again it is given to the steam boiler drum. Now the flue gases which are produced in the furnace, these flue gases are used for heating the produced steam in the superheater. Now next is the name of S series economizer. Boiler economizer is shown. Actual boiler economizer is shown to the left side. The economizer is the device which is used for recovering the heat from the flue gases, in which the feed water is heated and then this heated water is given to the boiler, which will require less heat to produce steam. Now we can see the schematic diagram of economizer to the right side. Here we have flue gases. There is a current of flow of flue gases through the tubes. There are H type scrapers which scratches the any deposit of flue gases on these tubes. They are moving continuously up and down. The top there is the top header and bottom header. Water to boiler, the water from feed pump is given to the bottom header which will goes up through the top header and which will be given to the boiler, which will be heated water. There are two devices used, that is steam stop valve and pressure gauge. Pressure gauge is used for measuring the pressure, and stop valve is used to extract the steam. Here we have observations and calculations table. First is superheater S3. Location and function is as follows. Superheater is located in the convective zone of the furnace, usually ahead of economizer. Function is to increase the temperature of steam. Parts of the given mounting is stop valve, tubes, flue stop valve. Some maintenance issues were located, so we have written as yes. Next is economizer. Location is in the back pass of or second pass after the primary superheater and preheaters of boiler. Function is to heat the feed water coming out from the high pressure feed pump up to nearly the saturation temperature varying. The parts are flow control valve, pressure gauge, tube scraper. Some maintenance issues were located, so we have written it as yes. Result is we came to know about boiler accessories which are used for increasing efficiency of boiler. Interpretation of result is we came to know about location and function of accessories. Conclusion: accessories are used for increasing efficiency of boiler and allied thermal engineering system. Thank you.